When someone in your family gets hurt and needs medical attention, it can be hard to know where to turn. We have Adam Geller from Spectrum Health Orthopedic Urgent Care with us today. So we're kind of zeroing in on a special type of hurt that people have. And so let's talk about your orthopedic urgent care and what that is.
Well, it's a new service from our Spectrum service line, and what we're offering is care for joints or sprains and strains, and it's a nice addition to our program. We're allowed to bring in people and take care of their sports or joint injuries and get them to the right people, get them to the right practitioners.
Yeah. How would a visit to orthopedic urgent care go?
Well, right now, we will get you in right away. You're seen by one of our providers, and you can get x-rays on site. We can perform injections, even reduce fractures or treat serious injuries.
And the types of ailments that you would cover?
Well, we do everything from foot and ankle to hand, shoulders, knees, hips. Mainly, most of your joints are long bones. If you think it's broken, or think it's sprained, come and see us. We're open and available.
Yeah, are we talking sports injuries for a lot of these? It sounds like it could definitely result from some kinds of outdoor activity, but I have to think some day-to-day activity may also lead to some of these injuries, maybe unexpectedly.
We've seen everything from slips and falls in the parking lot to wrestlers in their district finals. So.
Okay, so what should people do if they need help for a treatment that maybe is not covered through that, or maybe similar but not through orthopedic urgent care?
Well, you know, it's really truly, if they come to us, we're going to help them sort that out. Several times we have people that come in with pain in their legs or hips and they don't know where it's coming from or what it is. The other day I saw a person and they had shingles. They had pain down their legs. So it's very nice to be able to sort out and get them to the right providers, and we can do that too. Yeah,
it's kind of that first look that you would get to get that assessment to see where you need to go from there, because I know Spectrum Health has a lot of different experts that can help. And so what advantages can be brought about by going to orthopedic urgent care?
Well, you're not waiting for the colds and flus. You're not waiting for the stuffy noses or the headaches. You're getting seen for that joint or muscle problem, and you're getting to the right specialist. We have oncology specialists and pediatric specialists. We have all these specialized providers that we can get you started in the right direction with.
Talk about where your location is, because it can be found pretty easily, and unlike some other busy areas of town, you can kind of get in, get out, find where you need to go. I think sometimes people get weary of hospitals because they think it's going to be a little bit scary, and they're frankly going to get lost.
Oh yeah, it's really nice. Now that the 96 corridor there on Cascade is done, it's right off East Paris and Lake Drive, and you can come right up to the 3rd floor. You walk in, we'll get you registered, and most of our patients have been seen or had their x-rays started within 15 minutes of being in that building. So.
Yeah. When is the clinic open? When could somebody go to actually take advantage of it, and how would they go about being seen? Would they need an appointment, or is that optional?
Yeah. Well, during the daytime, between 8 and 5, we have people call the number and get worked into our schedules. But after 5, from 5 to 9, and then Saturdays 9 to 3, walk right in, come on up, and we'll get you in.
That's convenient.
Yeah.
You know, I think that people sometimes wonder, you know, if an injury that they have is serious enough where they need to go see somebody, or if they need to get an x-ray done or go to urgent care for that. What is your best recommendation for that, and that people should follow?
Well, I think the best thing that we have to offer is you come in and see us, and we can evaluate that, and you don't have to wait for someone to read the x-rays. We're experts in reading x-rays. We're experts in taking care of joints, and so we can give you that answer and that peace of mind. I had a wrestler who injured his shoulder, and I was able to see him and determine that he wasn't ready to play in the district finals because he had a crack in his clavicle. So,
and frankly, sometimes you just don't want to take the chance of not having an expert take a look at it, because in the long run, it can be worse.
Yeah, that visit might have taken 2 weeks to happen if he hadn't come to the urgent care.
Yeah, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. You're stopping by, and we're going to put all the information online so it's easy for you to find as well. And we'll be right back. We have much more 8 West.
Are you West?